How to send a gift message on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send a gift message on Instagram in just a few simple steps. So, first things first, open up an Instagram app and go to the message icon and then search for the person you want to message. Tap on it, and now you'll have to type in any message that you want. So once you do it, what you have to do is you will see a search option beside the message. Tap on it, and there you'll see various effects. Now swipe and you can tap on the gift effect, and there you go. Now, if you tap on the gift, your message will be revealed. It's as simple as that to send a gift message on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.